A ver, toma. Hello, this is Alan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is part 2 of restoring the 1983 Ford van. Following from part 1 of this mini-series, you would have noticed that we made a little bit of progress on the van itself by attempting to lubricate all the moving components on the heads in order for good gas flow. So in order to achieve a certain level of lubrication on the engine, we actually took some advice from my dad's friend and we made a mixture of gasoline and car oil, which definitely helped by the time where we tried starting the car back on, as you would see in the following clips.
Ok. Ahora darle una vuelta.
Thankfully, by the end, we were able to start the car, and now the problem is to keep it on, as you would see in the video that it just turns on right away. We still need to plug in certain valves and connections for the engine to be stable once we turn it on. But me and my dad are really happy due to how long it's been taking for this engine to actually turn on, and we're just really excited to keep working on this and restore this van to 100%.
A ver, ven aquí, Axel. No, aquí con donde.